Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the ice maker assembly in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a long and a short Phillips screwdrivers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new ice maker assembly. The ice maker assembly is mounted inside the left refrigerator door. It makes the ice cubes and drops them into the ice bucket. If your ice bucket is empty and the ice maker is turned on, it's time to check the ice maker assembly and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the left side door. To get to the part, we need to open the ice maker door. Simply lift on that handle and open it. So now we can remove the ice bucket, lift it up, and pull it out. So now I'm going to use the Phillips screwdriver, and I'm going to take out the steel screws on the top that holds the ice maker. So I'm going to push down on this locking tab and pull out the plug. Alright, so I'm going to turn it around, and I'm going to use the Phillips screwdriver to take out that screw that holds that ground wire. Alright. This is the old ice maker assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So I suggest you put a towel here to close that funnel so that if you drop the screw down, then it wouldn't go into this abyss. Place the screw with this little ring on it into the connector. We're going to bring in the new ice maker. Place the screw into this opening and try to maybe start it a little manually if you can. And then we're going to use the short Phillips screwdriver, and we're going to attach this Phillips screw. So let's turn the ice maker over and plug this power plug in. And now we can install the ice maker. Make sure that the tube on the right, the water inlet tube, goes inside this cup. I'm going to use a Phillips screwdriver. I'm going to secure the ice maker with a couple of screws. Make sure that the button is in on position, which is it right now. And we can remove the towel. So the ice bucket assembly goes in next. We place the top first, slide the bottom in, and push it down. So now we can close the ice maker door, push it in hard so it will lock. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.